Hello, Court Harler here with a Tuesday tip. Let's talk a little bit about dashes. We use basically three different kinds here in the US. The hyphen, which connects words, makes compound words pretty self-explanatory, as evidenced by that word, self-explanatory. And then we have a slightly longer dash called the N dash, which takes up the space of the letter N, which is why it's called that. And the N dash is used to denote a time frame or range of something. So say you want to write March 2nd through 3rd, you would do 2 N-3. Then we have the longer, more ubiquitous M dash, which has gotten a lot of love, or dare I say hate of late, because it's been connected with AI. Regardless, it's a very useful tool, a useful piece of punctuation that I hope can weather the storm of the moment. It can be used in lieu of a comma, in lieu of parentheses, in lieu of a colon. It's a very versatile punctuation mark. You can insert description, you can kind of interrupt a sentence, you can create equivalencies or lists within a sentence with the M dash. It's very useful. So here's where some of the confusion comes in though. The hyphen is often used in lieu of the N dash for the sake of expediency or convenience, and a lot of editors won't bother to correct that. And then in the UK, they use a spaced N dash, so space, N dash, space, the way that we use the unspaced M dash. So that's why you'll see these things looking interchangeable, especially if you're reading international texts. So yes, some confusion there, some wiggle room there. I'm going to include a handy dandy guide from merriam-webster.com in this post. So if you're still confused, take a look there or reach out to me and we can chat more. Okay, enjoy your Tuesday.